there's a rarity in the law. And the law says you can be partially drunk, but not arrested for DUI. If you blow less than a .01, technically you're not intoxicated. And that is bullshit, okay? If you're drinking, you clearly shouldn't be driving. And it's not just about you. It's about the other people, innocent people that you kill while you're driving and drinking, all right? But moving on from that, what's gonna happen specifically is you're going to be asked a number of questions. And the officer's gonna make some assessment based on things like the smell of your breath, okay? And if it smells like that of an alcoholic beverage, then that's the start of the inquiry. And I've gotta tell you this. If you are not fully informed, as I'm trying to make you, when I ask, how many beers have you had? You know, because what typically goes like this. Have you been drinking? Oh, yes, officer. But I only had, guess how many now? 2 beers. Always 2 beers. And what always stunned me is those beers must have been 4 or 5 quarts apiece, because the people who would say that to me were clearly intoxicated. Bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, weaving pattern, all the indicators of drinking were present in those circumstances. So don't say that. And if the officer asks you, have you been drinking? I've told you how to answer that question already. But when we're intoxicated or we're confronted by law enforcement, sometimes we just talk too much. So do yourself a favor, do your defense attorney a favor, and just don't say anything.